Hello guys, my name is Sofia Bee and today's episode is we're going to be doing the Boxycharm March. It's pretty much been crazy town out there, but you know what? I think to stay calm and to enjoy life no matter what circumstances we have in life, I'm just going to continue with my life and all the beauty and all the love that I have for the beauty here. And we're gonna look here. Look at this, lots of stuff. They really spoiled me this month and I'm really excited. It looks so pretty. So instead of usually 5 items, I received actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Wow, 8 items. This is fantastic because as you know, it's usually just, you know, like 5 items. And we're gonna go over some of them. I'm gonna try it out and, you know, see what you guys think about that. Most of the time I really like all the choices that I get in the box. And the first thing, actually, it's kind of like a cleansing for the skin. I personally don't do this because I'm very much old school and I use my fingers to exfoliate, to do some kind of massaging. But this is a perfect gift if someone has a good, you know, birthday coming up or some kind of whatever it is. It's a great gift. So it's the body wash Freeze Pear. I love pear. It smells amazing. One of my favorite fragrances has pear and is just very, very sexy. New protect and prevent spray. So it's a spray protection. So if you like highlight or color, that's perfect. And what I really liked about this one, it's not as fragrancy. Like, I'm excited about this one. This is Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Oh, and I forgot to tell, this one is the Moroccanoil. It's $30. So it's quite pricey, right? Like the Moroccanoil, it's quite pricey product. And the Murad is Hydrate Intense Hydrodynamic Eyes. So this is my favorite type of products to like, especially for the eyes. I'm all about hydration. Like, it's always good to work on your fine lines and whatever it is, but the hydration, this is where each and every one of us lacking. So definitely I'm very gonna be a lookout and hopefully it works out. Yeah, $70, which is amazing. $18, which is pretty cool. You know, you have opportunity to try 2 different kinds. One is in the green, the other one is in the like the usual orange one, and I just love it. I think it's, but for my skin tone it's a little bit too dark, so this is more like for my friends that a little bit like have like darker skin tone. So I mean, the one that I'll probably use, it's like the palette. It's really, really cute eyeshadow palette. Boxycharm, and it's $39, almost $40. That's quite a lot for the eyeshadow palette, which is pretty cool. It has like a really good color theme. Doesn't really have too much of like darkness to it. So I'm just gonna get this 1 cup of Joe. I'm gonna tap it. And we're just gonna connect right here. Darker one is the exclusive. I'm gonna take that color. I'm gonna place it right here because I think it's the darkest almost. Like that. A full size. I'm gonna be daring. I'm gonna use some kind of purplish right here. Yeah, it's definitely good. These shadows are very good to use with fingers because they kind of fall. So definitely want to use with a finger. This one, it's called And Only. Woo! Wow, that is pigmented. Woo! Okay, you know what it means. Like, you really need to buff it out. I do my lips, so you're just basically gonna do that.